And ahoy and welcome. This is your boy Kurix_Tupper. And tonight is March 21, 2025, a Friday. Happy weekends, happy Friday. And in tonight's stream, we're not going to play. We're going to just chill here and do our own thing, update our avatar. I've always said earlier na I want to change the look of my avatar. Um, Earlier I was using VideoTube for my PNG tuber needs, and then I shifted to uh, OBS. I am currently all of the movements that you see here are from OBS, but I have been watching a couple of YouTube videos. I have been looking for various PNG tube models. Of course, I can't do VTuber yet because I'm still playing on a mid-range gaming laptop. So eventually, I have to fall back to using PNG. So better yet, let's double down on our PNG model and make it more lively. And the new update or the new project that I have in mind is a more dynamic PNG model. I will shifting back to another third-party application. I've been noticing that it's really heavy, especially when I'm playing on resource-heavy games like Atelier Yumiya. So I would try moving my avatar on another software. I will be using PNG Tuber Plus, so that will give more life to my to the movement of my VTuber, and I will be beginning that by updating the look of my avatar. Currently, my avatar is, as you can see, what do you call this? I'm holding my waist, so it doesn't invite a friendly discourse. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. So I am planning on changing my avatar to look more relaxed, and then maybe later I can uh, throw more stuff like hand movements, more facial expressions, and then example angry, scared, and then by if I press a hotkey, it will change on that specific mood. That depends. So let's see what I can come up with tonight. I have been doing it after, I think, ever since I finished the stream earlier. I have been going back and forth like, okay, I'm going to draw and change my clothes. Okay, after doing some stuff, I scrapped it, and then I did it again, and then I keep on back and forthing, and then I think around 2 hours ago or 1 hour ago, I've been focused on doing this, and somebody told me to just stream it, and so here I am streaming. And this is an emergency art stream. It's been a while. I have been doing some art stream last 2024 and maybe earlier 2025, but this is going to be the wait, is it too loud? Maybe the music is too loud. I'm going to relaunch it as Artsy Fartsy and then the year. And then whatever project it is, example, this one is more on dynamic PNG project. So dynamic PNG project episode 1. So I will be starting off with clothes. I will be updating the clothes and the look of my PNG. So hopefully I can finish this today. My plan is separating the t-shirt, the undershirt, and maybe I'll make some topless version of my PNG if that's possible. But good evening, and if you feel like a chilling here, yeah, feel free to drop by and maybe watch me suffer, and then watch me nay and watch me draw and update my avatar. Good evening, everyone. Let's check the chat first. We currently have Damon D being the first. Good evening, Damon. And if you're watching this, this was first live on Twitch, of course. If you want to see me live and interact with me there, feel free to go check me out on Twitch, or also follow me on my socials. I am on X, Blue Sky, Threads, and Facebook. I usually post minutes before my stream there, so I post my schedules there. Hopefully, I can make a calendar of. I think I've already cemented the days that, example, on Mondays and Wednesday, I play Medieval Mondays and Wednesdays. On Tuesdays, I'm going to do a Throwback Tuesdays, another Throwback or retro gaming on a Thursday for Throwback Thursdays. Friday, Final Fantasy Friday. Saturday and Sunday are more free flowing, and maybe I'll take a rest during those days. But and I think I may have 2 or 3 streams per day. That depends on my mood and how busy things are. But hopefully those are the main streaming schedule that I will have, since I'm more of a full-time streamer at the moment. And welcome, warm welcome, guys. Damon D, thank you. We have Liti the Demon. Hello, hola, Tito Tupper. Hola, Tito Liti. Salamat. Salamat din. Tuturu. O Karin, tuturu. Pisa. Invisible, redeem attendance and check-in. Welcome in. Wow, arting, yes. And if you guys have better things to do, go ahead. I will just be maybe hyper focusing, and if you guys are there, I can maybe yap around and busy. Ayan. At lagi nga nagpapakompleto ng stream ay ang puso-puso ni Titiri ng Parkcaster. And then we're going to jump in. Actually, ang initial plan ko, I've already done. Surprisingly enough, I use the power of AI. No, I know, right? It's a bit controversial to use the power of AI. Pero kasi earlier, as a reference, is my avatar. Yan. Currently, hanggang ganito lang siya. Ayan. That's the limit of the PNG model. Ayan. So, what I did was, and I think I wanted my avatar to face forward. And I think the proportions are off, but again, this is an anime style, so the proportions can be off. But I tried Google AI tool. So what I came up with is this. Wait, where's my avatar? Voice is not centered. This one. I made a series of prompt asking the Google AI to use my avatar here as a reference. While others may shy away from using AI tools, I experimented on it to know how it looks like. So I said it, make the neck down image referenced here and make it face forward, and let the arms down, I think. And then it generated this image. And then after generating that image, I think I generated a number of prompts, because sometimes the hands looks bad, the shadows feels off, and I got this one, but it kind of looks like it's Killua's clothes. I don't know, because I prompted it like change the turtleneck, the circular or round neck shirt into a V-neck shirt, and then it turns into that. And then I prompted it to generate into a turtleneck, red turtleneck long sleeves, and then it generated that. So this time I said I'll just do it myself. And at the end of the day, I revert to doing it by myself, but I will be using this as a reference since it's facing forward. I tried patching it up or mixing and matching it. I pasted my avatar in front of this model, but it looks kind of off because this is a body of a teenager or maybe a 20 or 30 something, but my avatar is a boy, maybe around 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 or 13 maybe. So it feels kind of off. So I will be redoing that into a boy version with the same look, and let's see what I can come up with. And then maybe I can separate the normal shirt from the undershirt, and I will be separating all of the components so I can make a more dynamic piece, so I can change my clothes anytime. For example, I can change it into a yellow, a blue, a green, depending on the season. So I'm pretty excited for this. So maybe that's why instead of streaming Final Fantasy, as in today's a Final Fantasy Friday, I will be first streaming the art stream and updating my PNG model. Yo, Zane! Sir, patambay ulit. I don't know about others, but as long as you're just using it as a reference, I don't care if you're using AI. Yeah. But again, I understand. I know completely how people reject AI. Surprisingly, I have been using some AI when it comes to uh, troubleshooting OBS. Example, um, I'm currently using my current rig, which is an HP Victus 15, and my OBS is lagging. What can I do uh, to make my stream look better? And then after hitting enter, it gave me a prompt that I don't need to scour the forums, scour Google to find the exact information of my current setup and what settings I can use for OBS. So that's one practical use of what do you call this, of AI. And I think I also have a blog. I also have a blogger, so I made some reviews on Steam. Of course, I initially type in the words and then I ask ChatGPT to polish it, like grammar check and spell check my Steam review for this game, and boom, it generates, and I instantly got my review polished, all capitalization, grammar checks. And so it's really a powerful tool in the hands of anyone, I guess, as long as you don't abuse it. Uh, so, example, this one, while it kind of generated a good image, applying it on my avatar is not perfect. And again, after a couple of generation, I ask it to, since my current avatar is only this, see, it generated it on point. Look at the pants. My current pants is like this. It kind of generated something pretty good. I didn't draw it, but it used it as a reference, and then I asked it to generate a leg, and then generate a leg with feet and wearing chucks, and so that it generates it like that. Pero I don't know if I will be using that, since most PNG tube models are usually just neck up. Maybe when somebody asks for a full body picture of my avatar, I will use that. But for now, I will be focusing on the head and the torso of my avatar and customizing it. But thank you, Maya, for being here and for sharing your thoughts. I will be yapping a lot if I'm not focused on doing my thing here. Evening, Dens. Good evening. AI helps kasi sa ganyan. Most work lately need ng marunong mag-AI. I don't know. I haven't done any. I haven't read anything about how do you effectively use AI, how to do this or that. I'm just winging it. So I think I can effectively use it more. But as of now, my current needs are being met. Example, I just have some questions about system requirements, about how can I further improve OBS. So, and sometimes it's really entertaining to generate some stuff. And most of the time, they are paid. Pero yung sa Google AI tool, they have that image generation program. So it's kind of free. So I just explored it, and then that's the result of it. So I don't know. Maybe out of curiosity, I started exploring yung Google AI tool. And I guess you cannot really escape it. AI is already here. So this is the reference. Pero wait, let me just move my avatar here. That's the reference, but I was currently doing this. I have a couple of references here. I use that. See? So that's the model from earlier. If we zoom out, see, that's it. But as I said earlier, it doesn't fit my current avatar, and I don't plan on wearing a turtleneck. So what I will do is make a separate entry for the undershirt. I'm going to make an undershirt and a yellow shirt, and let's see what will happen. And you're currently listening to the Relax Movement. It's a DMCA and copyright-free music that I can use on YouTube. I don't know about Twitch, so I'll be winging it. If Twitch flag it as copyright, I'll guess I'll just have to delete it on Twitch. But as of the moment, you can watch this for free and you can chill with me while I do art. An amateur art. I'm not a professional by any means. I'm using the power of the pen tool and a mouse and a keyboard. Yes, I am that poor. I don't have a tablet yet. Maybe in the future, if I get serious about this. But I'm a gamer first before an artist. Maybe I'm a frustrated artist to some degree. But this character, I have been using it since high school. So maybe I'm just using it again after some time. So it's kind of refreshing. It feels a bit off. I think I don't know. I still think something is off about my avatar. Maybe the eyes. It's too bright-eyed. Yo, Shin! Aren't we all? But feel free to drop by any wisdom, any information, or maybe you just want to chat about AI. What's your experience about it? I don't know. While others might be allergic or might be too angry about it, I'm pretty neutral. Of course, I as an artist, amateur artist myself, I've already removed my art on DeviantArt because I believe they are already using AI as part of DeviantArt, and I don't want them to crawl on my previous artworks. It's not that pretty. Well, I think I can showcase it here. Wait. Let me. I have some artwork here. Wait, where is that? Wait, here. I think these are some of my older stuff, but some of my older DeviantArt stuff is on my uh, external hard disk. So this one, I uploaded this earlier this year. Happy New Year 2025. See, it's so bright-eyed. And then, I think this is a bookmark that I did way back in the days. I go by a different name back then. This is another bookmark. What did it say? Ako ay may lobo, lumipad sa langit. Di ko na nakita, pumutok na pala. Yeah. Seme Otaku returns, slashing from here on NPN. That's my previous username. And yes, it's Christopher. That's why it's Kurix_Tuper. Oh, look, another cheap viewer. Okay, thank you for that information, but you held the message for your block term. Okay. I'll add that to that black brace. So copy that word. And then this one is for a group on, I think it's still on DeviantArt. It's called sadstarsoldiers.deviantart.com. I think they rebranded, but it's basically a group of artists of various expertise and profession. We make our own characters and then we submit it and then we interact with one another. We have an overarching story. I don't know. Maybe it's a local version of a D&D style. But then again, that's just one of my character, CC Otaku. Okay, I think that's enough. And from last year, I think, teka lang, baka mamaya kasi may mga let me. What other things can I showcase here? Here, Project Dal. This was my previous. Here? Wait. I think this is one of my pins. Nah. What? Why do I have a face there? And I didn't change my face. My face is right there. Oh no. It's a good thing it's covered. My face is covered. So this one is my new model. Correct spot. Pedro. Why is a Pedro here? I use a Pedro reference on my new emote. See, that's the new emote that I have for the Pedro, and it keeps on circling. And this was my previous Akira Toriyama inspired PNG model, a Gohan model. This one. What else? This one. This is it. Open mouth, close mouth, open eyes, open eyes, close mouth, open eyes, open mouth. But it's a bit static, so this time I will be using PNG Tuber Plus, a free application that will hopefully make things more dynamic. I will be starting off by editing my shirt, or the PNG model's shirt. What else do we have? We have Slam Dunk. Takehiko Inoue's Slam Dunk, this one. See, again, I'm not a professional. I sketched this on a bond paper and took a picture of it using my phone and exported it on my PC, cleaned it up, and then did the colors on PC using keyboard and mouse. I don't have any pen, so it's really a pretty rough drawing. And because I'm really dirt cheap, I am doing my own PNG and graphics. Hey, it's better than nothing, right? What else? What else do we have? We have dito, this one, the Junji Ito for the Halloween special. This is from the Balloons story from Junji Ito. So I made a graphic for that, a PNG. Yo, Kite! Good evening. Di ako marunong gumamit, to be honest, ng AI, I mean. Ako naman, I think it's just a series of prompts na you will tell it to do something. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated. And maybe there is a parang deeper instructions that you can give. Pero ako, I haven't researched about it, Maya. Okay, so without further ado, let's continue. And I haven't had my dinner pala, Ishi. I wanted to, kaso wala pa pala. So, okay, where are we? Where am I now again? So, maybe I should... You know what? I'll probably duplicate this. Duplicate this layer. Hey, where are you? Duplicate. This one is the shirt, top shirt. And then this one is the undershirt. Then siguro in the future I can... Di nga. So this one, top shirt, undershirt. Again, this was my previous model, this one. I already butchered it. So don't worry, my model is still intact. But this time I will be using that as a reference for the colors. Yo, Lite, imagination. Ba't di mo try magbra? What are you talking about, Cosmos? Ikaw, try mo magbra. Mag-stream ka. Ano-anong pinagsasasabi mo dyan? Si Paolo nga nag-stream eh. Ayan. Howard, Ishi, Liti. Ayan. What shoutout app are you using? I'm currently using actually I'm about to remove it as well. It's called Pixel Chat TV. It's now displaying a white screen, so I don't like how it is turning out now. Maybe if you want the complete version, you need to buy the full version of the app, but I don't want that. So I guess I'll be changing shoutouts now, or soon, rather. But it's doing its own thing. It's thing. It's displaying it on top of the screen. Okay, wait. What are we supposed to do now? So we're using this as a reference for the top shirt. Okay. So what I'm thinking is, since we're going to work with the undershirt, let's go with this one, undershirt. Wait, didn't I duplicate it? Ah, yeah, I did. This is the undershirt. The top shirt, I will be removing this line. Welcome! Oh, welcome in! Happy streaming, Raikaku Sky. I think, is this Akinaisu? Ah, no, it's a different, it's Raikaku Sky. Okay, it's a different person. Welcome! Let me follow you. I've always seen you dropping by here. How do I shout you out? You have Japanese characters as your username, or Raikaku. Okay, let me try it. Shout out to Raikaku. Right there you go. They are last seen playing. Wait, what? But that's my name. Thank you for dropping by and supporting the stream. Ah, you aren't streaming. Okay. Correct sama. Di ako nagbabra. Abracadabra. Whatever. Again, Liti, that's a Pixel Chat TV. Look it up on Google. Google. Top shirt, let me remove this one since this is... What I plan on doing is, I changed my mind now. Instead of having the t-shirt and the undershirt in one layer, I will now be separating them. Okay, and then let's work on the undershirt. What my plan here is, remove this part. Oh. Top shirt, undershirt, okay. And then select this. Top shirt, undershirt. Okay. You are going to be the red shirt now. I will polish that later. For now, let's delete and clean it up. This is going to be red. I'll probably curve it. Wait, maybe I should do that now, no? Yeah, I should do it now. Use the power of the pen tool. Let's delete it then. I think I use this as a reference, this one. So let's use the pen tool for that. The power of the pen tool compels thee. Stroke path. Stroke. Okay, good. And then I think How will I proceed with this? If I am going to pull off a similar design to this, to my PNG model, I wonder, I'm going to add a joint here, shoulder. So this one right here, there's a ball joint here. Or maybe I should make a new layer for the joints. Maybe let's use pink for the joints. Joints. So will be here. The upper body. Probably this is here. Torso would probably be here. This one. Be here. This would be here. This is the arm. The arm should be longer than the biceps. Maybe here, around here. The hand. The ball of the hand is here. Torso. Then I think this is the legs. Change this, the legs. And then, ang baba nung ano? Well, I was thinking na he's a boy So, ang baba ng ano. Tapos dito yung neck. Neck is here. Parang naka-slouch, naka-ganon. Should I round this up? Should I make, I don't know, increase it like this? Hindi, I think. Parang it's too low kasi. Siguro if I increase it a little. Maybe later we can remedy that later. Pero using this reference, we will be working the undershirt now. Sige, let's make the undershirt. Let's use the power of the pen tool. Undershirt, the ball. See, I made a if I'm going to add the ball here, maybe we should correct this. Let's go back to the top shirt. Okay, if we use this as a reference, where is our pen tool? Pen tool. We've already selected the pen tool. Okay. Nope. Hey, Sin! Good evening. Ayan, naglalaro sila Sin kanina ng... well, I think hanggang ngayon pa rin naman. They are playing World War Z. World War Zeto. I think that's way better, no? Tapos, what I will do is clean this up. And you're currently listening to the Relax Movement. Check them out on YouTube for your DMCA free needs for more relaxing music while doing your work. Maybe lo-fi music. While I'm doing and updating my avatar here, and feel free to drop by the chat so we can talk about some stuff. Anything and everything under the sun. Ishi aba naka 1.1k followers ka na pala. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit eh. Mga nauuto tayo. Just kidding. Pero thank you, thank you. I thank everyone for helping us out here. Parang kailan lang, 'di ba? Ang mga pangarap ko ay kay hirap abutin. Dahil sa But thank you everyone for making all of this possible. Most of those mga people are from the Monster Hunter World community, fellow Filipino streamers, international ones, friends and viewers of existing Filipino Twitch streamers who just forget to unfollow. Like, oh, this guy has been raided by my favorite content creator. Eh? Okay, it's a pity. Let's just follow him. Just kidding. But again, thank you guys. Thank you for supporting the stream. So if I am going to follow this, I added a ball. So what should I do then? What should I do then? Is it on the same angle? Or it's a different one? Maybe let's erase this, I guess. Thank you everyone who forgot to unfollow. Sin, let's go! Congrats! Nang uuto ka pala eh. Pinikot mo kami. Pero thank you everyone. Ano dyan, mga 30% of those are from cheap viewers. Just kidding. Alam niyo yun, if you're streaming, there are so many spam accounts that have been like adding you out of nowhere, and then the next thing you know, like I noticed that uh, I'm a graphic artist. I don't know how many of those are actually actual users, or some are just freaking spammers. Maybe I should do a cleanup. Maybe if I do a cleanup, my followers will go down like around 900. Just kidding. Pero before I was raided or hate raided rather, and spam followed as well. It's a good thing that we already know how uh, s- to combat those bad actors. So I banned and unfollowed those spam bots, and ayan. Ever since then, I learned how to protect my stream from potential spam attacks, follow raids, or hate follows or spam follows. By using Commander Root. Do check out Commander Root on Google. Commander Root Twitch, and you will basically make it. You will authorize access to it so it can access your followers, and then you can. It's a very powerful but dangerous tool. So make sure if you're going to use it, you are very sure how to use it. You will be. You should be very sure how to use it. You might end up deleting all of your followers if you're not careful. Ay, siya nga. Hmm. Or maybe I should. There you go. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I think this will do. So stroke path, stroke. Mm, Parang di rin pantay yun dito sa taas. Nati-trigger yung... Oo nga, hindi nga pantay. Hindi pantay! Hindi pantay. Hindi siya pantay. Undo. Kasi dito siya, oh. Then, oo, hindi nga siya pantay. Let's start it on this side. Dapat dito. You know what would be tragic? If after all of this, I didn't save. Save, so let's save. Okay. I'm a graphic designer. Give your Discord. I send you my portfolio. Ano yung pink? Wala bang mirroring dyan? Pwede naman mag-mirroring, pero wala lang. Ayoko lang mag-mirroring muna. I-mirror ko na lang ba para saves me the hassle? Inaano ko kasi ito lang siguro kung i-mirror man, baka ito na lang. Alam ko sa mga bagong software or kasi this is GIMP eh. This is an old school. Meron yung if-flip mo lang and then it will apply to the opposite side. Pero minsan kasi hindi siya maganda tignan kapag minirror siya eh. Or should I just do the mag-mirror na lang ba rin talaga tayo? Yung shoulder sana para di ka nahihirapan. Okay, sige. Thank you for that suggestion. Copy, paste, flip, move. At dahil dyan, dyan muna siya. Dyan muna siya. Lilinisin ko muna tong. We are still working on the top shirt, right? Yep, top shirt. So let's erase this. Hey, Chokes! Good evening. Good evening from the Philippines. Ay, nasa Pilipinas ka rin pala. Ayun, no? Art stream. Kamusta, Chokes? Kamusta ang Taken? Taken talaga, no? Pasted layer. Yep, this is it. Okay. Can I merge it down? Merge down. Merge visible. Merge down. Tama ba? Oh, amazing. Buti hindi siya na-merge dun sa joints. Okay. Okay, so now we will be working on the undershirt. Hindi, dapat ngayon na inano ko to, yung undershirt, I need to delete this. Kasi ang bagong reference na natin yung top shirt. So duplicate layer, undershirt. Undershirt. And then I think what we'll do with this one, kailangan din kasi magawa natin yung figure underneath this eh. Kailangan gumawa ng parang naked body nung avatar ko. But maybe later. Para yun yung huhulmahan nung body sana. Nung clothes. Ayun yung ihahag niya. Choco, nasa Dubai na ako. Stream sana ako ngayon kaso di pa kaya ng power. So, unless gusto mo na pagkatapos mo mag-stream or halfway through the stream antukin ka. Baka sa Monday na lang. Sige, ano na rin ba ngayon? It's a Friday, so Saturday, Sunday, yan, you have the long weekend. Wow, naked. Kasi mamaya gagawa ako ng parang undershirt. We are now at the undershirt. So speaking of undershirt, I think dapat yung tama naman, undershirt. O hindi siya naka-select. Bakit hindi na-delete? What are you doing, game? Game. Art. Top shirt. Dahil ba dito sa top shirt? Oo. Hindi siya nakikita. Okay. Pwede naman natin gawing, since this is the undershirt, Uy, ayan. Excuse me. Okay. Stroke path. Stroke. Okay. Tapos, itong top shirt. Oh, bakit ayaw? Kasi nasa undershirt ba siya? Ayan. Makapal masyado. Hindi straight may nagpixelate Fine. Straight line. Okay, fine. White t-shirt. Tapusin ko na muna kaya tong white t-shirt para naman may... Okay, we can do that. Top shirt. Uy, yun. Kumonekta yun doon. Ay. Okay. Hey, Raven! Good evening. Nagbabalik po ang Pen Tool Warrior in the house. In the house. Happy streaming. How are you doing? What games have you been playing? Alam ko si QA, bukod syempre, Monster Hunter Wilds nag... Ano yun? Lost Records. At I don't know if Miss QA is now playing Assassin's Creed. What program are you using? I'm currently using the GIMP. Do you have any recommendation na free? Or I don't know. Baka may mas powerful na tool na abot kaya na hindi kailangan ng subscription service katulad ng Photoshop or ng Adobe products or any Adobe products. Canvas? I'm currently playing Graveyard Keeper in Bloomtown. Nasa radar ko yung Bloomtown. I haven't just gotten into it. I'm still playing Traveler's Rest. Graveyard Keeper I thoroughly enjoyed in the past, pero hindi ko pa siya natatapos. Yung Traveler's Rest is also a good game. You can like literally lost hours of your day playing that. Yung Bloomtown is more of a Persona-like game, kaya that's why it's under my radar. Persona, na may pagka Stranger Things. That's why it piqued my curiosity. Photo P. Okay, sige. I'll take note of that, Raven. Photo P. It's more powerful than GIMP. Kasi 'di ba, GIMP is an open source eh. I don't know, maybe I am more kasi I gravitate towards open source tsaka free. Of course, nothing beats yung mga paid applications kasi talagang feature complete, powered by AI pa. Pero Photopea, okay. I'll add that to my notes. Opening Google Keep. Text, Photopea. Photopea, Hello P, Photopea. Pen, applications, apps, Photopea. Okay, thank you. Yes, Photopea is a replica of Photoshop. Oh! Ergo 7 lurk lang, playing din po. Thank you, Ergo. Ang currently nilalaro ni Ergo ay Party Club, another... Ay, speaking of free games, did you guys know that Jurassic World 2 is now on Epic Games? So if you are into theme park simulators, you might want to pick that up on Epic Games now. Stroke path. Nasa radar ko din yung Traveler's Rest wishlist kasi currently I think ang next update nila is yung pets. Currently they have or already released yung multiplayer. So if ever you can have people over, and I think we need to play that a lot then. Basta pag-release siguro nung pets update, we will be returning to Traveler's Rest. Wamiyu! Thank you. Claimed. Uy, what did you claim? Wala tayong claim, sir. We don't have claim. Also, hello, Kurix. Hello, everyone. Yo, Ghost in the show. Thank you for tuning in. We're just doing some Jurassic World Evolution, I think. You claimed. Sorry. Jurassic World Evolution 2. Okay, so where was that again? This one? Top shirt, undershirt. At least we're done with the top shirt. For the undershirt, yeah. I don't know, maybe we should can hear my nephew doing an evil laugh. I don't know, maybe we should... No, I think we should... Since this is going to be like... This is the shoulder. Maybe one here and then one here. Ball. So it's like this one, it will hug this area. Maybe midway through here. And then another one here. And then since this is the arm, maybe one here and another one here. Since this is an undershirt, probably here. Magkakatalo mamaya. Malalaman natin mamaya if this will be good or bad. Waza! Who's that? Miss Kelly! Wow, wow, wow! Waza! Ay, hindi. I will be changing this later since dapat may mga folds to eh. Kasi this is the undershirt or parang sweater. Evening, Miss... Ano ba, Mr. Skelly, no? Mr. Skelly. Akala ko noon Mrs. Kelly yan. Yo, Wamiyu! Hmm. Have a great day! So maybe, since this is the shoulder, maybe we will add some... This one and then this one right here. I really don't know, man. Hindi pa kurbado to. Ay, wait, let me check the chat. Happy arting Kurix! Thank you, Nins! Sheesh! Galing mo mag-arterist. parang pangsakit sa puso yata yung mga arteries na yan. Hindi, mature lang ako. Hindi naman ako pawang hindi po professional ang gumagawa ng mga ganitong gawain. Ang mga professional po yung mga may tablet, yung gumagamit po ng paid apps. Ako isang hamak na PNG tuber lamang na may maybe we can ay naku, itong mga aso talaga na to. Kung kailan may ginagawa doon, nagkakahulan. Galit. Okay nga, stroke path. Stroke. Chocoloco, by the way, boss ko Rick, sensya na ngayon ko lang nakita yung DM mo sa akin, hindi ko talaga and it's okay, ano ka ba? Understandable naman, just me naman. Ako pa ba yung magtatampo sa na hindi mo na seen yung message ko na it's about you taking a break? Okay lang yan, ano ka ba? Walang pasensya. Galit ako sa'yo! Hindi, wala yun. Ano ka ba? Ikaw na nga may pinagdadaanan. Wala akong karapatang magkakaganyan. Message lang yan. Message lang. Just wishing you well lang kahit may may mga nangyari na hindi inaasahan. Yo, Vivi! Good evening. Ayan. Watch how the amateur artisan daw make magic using the pen tool. Clean up, clean up. And I'm using mouse as well. Diba? Pahirap, diba? So, I think okay naman yung kinalabasan. Sana all kinakalabasan. Ha? Wait. Ayan. Ano siya for animation? I'm planning to make a more dynamic PNG tuber. Basically, may reference na naman ako. Paghihiwalayin ko yung top shirt sa undershirt, and then after I done that, I will be making more gestures, and then I will be using PNG Tuber Plus to make my avatar more dynamic. Isa-separate ko na siya kasi currently itong what you see here, it's either I will buy yung what's the name of that application, Honk, para sa more dynamic movement, at saka meron kasing lip movement yung Honk eh. Kaso it will cost $12. It's either that or I will go free but will use PNG Tuber Plus. But in any case, I will choose either of the two. Magsisimula na lang siguro muna ako sa PNG Tuber Plus, and kapag nakukulangan pa ako doon, I will probably buy PNG Tuber along the way, since pares lang naman silang gumagamit ng Sprite. Get na yan. Pero kung gusto niyo akong sponsoran sa ano daw. So we already have this for the undershirt. I think I should delete this part kasi this is undershirt, diba? We are working on the undershirt. Di nga. Wait, teka, ano ba sinabi ni Choco kanina? Invisible, galit ka. Masaya lang ako! Yo, Midnight Vamply. Ayan, another artist, si Midnight. Thank you for passing by. How are you doing? Nagbabalik na uli sa streaming yan si Midnight. Although hindi naman ganun katagal, pero before kasi parang it's not often na i-stream siya, pero ayan. Now, mas madalas na. Often na. Buka-bukaan. It's just me having the excuse to use this. Pero di ba ikaw din naman, Vivi, you are also an artist? Ikaw ba yung gumawa nung PNG tube model mo? Or is that a commission or a gift from a friend? Actually, even itong avatar ko na to, I also did this eh. Pero mukhang papangatawanan ko na to. Kasi if ever na I am going to make more YouTube content, I will be using that PNG model. Well, example, I am explaining stuff. Ang pangit naman kung nakapamewang lang lagi. So, maybe example, sometimes there will be hand gestures. So, ayun yung gagawin natin.
Sige, magtahulan pa kayo dyan. May ginagawa ako dito. Hindi niyo sinasama yung aso.
Nagalit. Parang VTuber na. May magnanakaw ata. Hindi, kakadating lang ng kapatid ko, and I think they're having dinner now. Saan ko masisimulan to putulin? Ayan. So, tapos niyan, copy, paste, and then flip, and then let's drag it to the other side. Hoy, hindi. Dadrag natin sa kabilang side. Kahilera naman, di ba? Ano ba yan? Sabi ko kahilera naman eh. Sigurado ka bang gagamitin mo yung arrow key para dyan para lang maging pantay? Oo! Ay, nako. Inang-imove na nga natin gamit yung mouse. Hindi, magkaiba kasi yung folds ng damit eh. So, it is inevitable na hindi talaga siya kukonekta doon. So, let's just connect it. And maybe since this is like a cloth, we can add... Ay, teka. I-ano muna natin. I-flatten muna natin. I-anchor muna natin yan. O, di ba? Anchor. And then let's connect it. Ay, hindi. Uy, wait. And stroke path. Stroke. Ano ba yan? Sigurado ka ba dyan, Kurix? Ang dumi. Sa malayo kasi hindi kita, pero sa malapitan na yan. Ang sagwa, di ba? Just cleaning things up. Kabilang side. Ito din, meron din. Ayan. Meron pa bang hindi buo? Okay. So, pag tinanggal natin to at saka nilinis, the joints, let's remove the joints. Let's remove the top shirt. Ay, yun na pala, undershirt. Sige nga. Hindi pa siya buo. May mga open. So, pag finil natin yan, magiging makalat na red screen lang tong ano. Okay. It's also not clean in this part. Hindi rin maganda yung ano ba naman yan? Ang dungis? Kaya dudungis? Sige nga. Let's try that in. Let's see that in action. Tanggalin muna natin yung mga nasa ilalim. And at wala. Mukha ng sweater. Pero parang mahaba yung kabila. Sandali, wait. Parang mahaba yung kabila ah. Parang hindi pantay ah. Para talagang mahaba eh. Should I undo all of what I did earlier? Slight lang. Hindi kasi inaano ko para saan na ba yung ating joints? Para sana kasi pantay itong joints dito. Ayan o. Para pantay sana to. Hindi rin naman kasi pantay yung drawing ko, di ba? Mali-mali, di ba? O, yan. In a way, naging pantay naman dahil dun sa aksidente na yan. Hindi ko na rin alam. I don't know anymore. I can simply just... Yan, no? Ano iti? Iti ay gagawa ako ng more dynamic PNG tuber. Alam mo, mas magiging madali talaga lahat to kung nag-camera on cam na lang ako eh. Eh di, hindi ko na pinoproblema to, di ba? Pero hindi. Isa akong cartoons. I do not exist. Except on the eyes of my friends and families. Anong app to? This is, nag-recommend kanina si Raven with the cause ng Photo P daw ang gamitin. May marirecommend ka ba na free? Na powerful din yung tool. I'm currently using kasi GIMP 2.0. An open source application. Sige na nga. Ikat na lang natin to. It's either ikakat ko or gagawa ko ng bagong curve. Ay, hindi, i-move ko na lang siguro pataas. Ay, hindi, wag. Ay, joints. Nasa undershirt tayo. Undershirt. Hey, Sir Daps, how are you doing, man? Thank you for dropping by. Sana all friends, mga mag-flesh tuber ka na lang din. O sure, ikaw nga, naka-VTuber ka pa rin, B eh. Correct, kung trip mong drawing tablet mo na lang sa Shopee. Huy yun, Inspiroy. Sige. Sponsors, hello. Wala pa eh. Pag ano na tayo, kasing yaman na tayo ni PewDiePie. Wala pa ako pambili eh. Tsaka na. Sponsors, Bakenemen. Matt Apocalypse 69. Kurix Reveal. Krita. Krita Abila. Krita. Krita Iringan. Good morning. I hope everyone's having a great morning. Yeah, it's actually about 8:11 in the evening here in our country, the Philippines. But thank you for the morning greetings on your end. Tagal na ako din nakatambay sa'yo, lagi lurk. Ano ka ba? Okay lang yan. Tsaka syempre, baka you're streaming as well, so... Oy, what's that? Wait, why is it that... Who raided? Rapunzel raided! Pero bakit... Why isn't the text appearing? Wait. Mix setup is turned off! Oh no! Thank you, main. The Rapunzel in the house. Thank you for the raid. Or updating my avatar to be more dynamic. I'm starting off by separating my undershirt and the top shirt, and then later on I will make more dynamic movements so my avatar will not look so freaking static. Of course, I can just simply go the VTubing route, but one step at a time. Thank you, the Rapunzel. I will let's give her a shout out. Ayan. A very energetic and upbeat streamer, VTuber. Contagious laughter. That's the Rapunzel for you guys. Go give her a follow. Thank you for bringing your community here with you. Maraming salamat. And if you guys are about to do your nightly duties, your routines, maybe you haven't had your dinner, enjoy your dinner. If you want to rest, go to the restroom. And I'll just be here doing my own thing. Maybe later I can still play Final Fantasy 7 Remake since it's Final Fantasy Fridays. But I had the bright idea to do an art stream, maybe for just a few seconds, few hours. Wait, what happened? Thank you again, the Rapunzel, and welcome in, guys. Welcome, everyone. Nope. We need to move this further in here. Yes. 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 Okay, and then let's remove the stuff. And maybe just a bit more cleanup. Thank you again, and let's shout out those who joined the Rapunzel's raid. We have Ramje or Ram. We have Iyon. Thank you for joining the raid. And I think most of the people there are lurking, or maybe they're doing some other stuff. But thank you guys. Thank you for joining Main's raid. I'm Kurix, a Filipino variety streamer. I mainly play role-playing games, and true to my variety streaming label, I am doing some art stream as well. Although I'm not a professional, and I'm embracing that. And maybe with constant practice, I will get better at this. That's the very nature of art, and that's what I also am planning on doing. I don't know if I should make a dedicated art stream schedule. Maybe I should push with that new schedule. Heliana, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the shout out. Papa! Ayan. yung tawagan na lang na ganyan kasi main has the redeem na, are you winning son? And then I switch that, are you winning daughter? And then from then on, ayan. If you've been here long enough, yung nagkakaroon ka ng mga funny interaction with fellow streamers. Iba-iba eh. Kay Nadisela, iba rin. Sino pa ba yung mga... Si Kalakayuki. Kay Kayuki naman, when I am on her stream, I keep on redeeming Atigay redeems. And speaking of Atigay, we also have that here. We have the raining here. See? Heliana, thank you for joining Rapunzel's raid. Ayan. Makakaya ko pa, di bali na lang kaya. And we also have Obladi. ayoko kay Ate Gay eh. Papa ko, Rex, adapt me. Nako, maghihirap ka. Wag na. By force, he doesn't have a choice. I called him Papa already. Si Miss Lala naman tawag sa akin Ninong. Ewan ko ba? Bakit? Ay, hindi kasi I think one of our interactions, sabi ko, ano ba yan? May tumatawag sa akin na tito, may tumatawag sa akin na kuya, nako. Susunod yan, ninong naman. Ayun. Si Lala na yung tumawag sa akin ng ninong. Ewan ko sa inyo. Basta yung ninong nyo hanggang ano lang, hanggang bago mag-December. Pag December, galit-galit. Okay, yan. I think ready na tayong kulayan yung red undershirt and then yung yellow undershirt. I think we're done with the top shirt. This is the top shirt. And this is the red undershirt. Okay, tara. Let's do this. Exciting. Iniisip ko kung pwede naman na ganito. Ayan. Pero I have to fill in the gaps later. So, gusto ko rin na separate yung kulay ng undershirt at saka nung so I can change things up a bit. Example, gusto ko naman maging blue yung undershirt. So I can separate it like maybe let's go with undershirt color. Ayan. So undershirt color, since ang kulay natin is red. This is our color here. Let's go back here, undershirt color, and let's fill that up. Ay, hindi. Top shirt to. Anong undershirt? Parang tungaw eh. Sorry. Top shirt color. There you go. Bayad. Yellow. Yellow kasi. Ayan. Okay. Let's finish it up. There you go. Oh, di ba? And then yung undershirt naman, lagay natin to dito. And then i-duplicate natin siya. Ay, wait. Teka, talaga ba? Wait. Top shirt. Color lang ba? Yep, it's color lang. Okay, so we can work on that later. Yung for the undershirt. Tama na? Undershirt, top shirt. Undershirt. Select that. Okay, selected. Let's make a new layer, undershirt. Ay, wait, do we have an undershirt color? Ah, wala pa, okay. Undershirt color. And let's place it under the line art. And let's use the red color again. Eyedropper tool. Let's get back to the undershirt color, fill that up. Jajajang! And so, with all our powers combined, jajajang! So we now have a red undershirt. I think we managed to pull off what we wanted. Maybe we can sample it right now. Can we? Can we sample it right now? Wait, where is my previous body? Body. Neck. Gamitin na ba natin kahit parang bare lang yung colors niya? Oh, 'di ba? Tapos kaso para nakaangat to, hindi siya nakalapat ng gusto dito sa skin. Hindi pa natin pwedeng gamitin. And basically, I wanted to replace yung, para hindi na nakapamewang yung character ko. Para kasing, bakit ngayon ka lang umuwi? Bata ka. Parang ganun kasi yung dating ng avatar. Nakapamewang. Ayan. So, now parang I wanted na parang plain lang muna na arms down. But I think I need to add more shades and shadows, lighting to the clothes. So, that will be the next stream. But for now, I'm happy with what I am able to accomplish tonight. And I think that's also the title of my stream for the night. Updating the clothing assets and the power of the pen tool. Ayan, and again, thank you kay D. Rapunzel for the raid. Chocoloco, Ninong Correx, lapit na Pasko. Tigilan nyo yan. Huwag kayong ganyan. Anyway, happy streaming po. I'll sleep na. Ay, sige, thank you again. D. Rapunzel, si Main, Mataray, kunwari. Galing nga eh. Diba from initially ganito siya? Ano yan? Ano nga uli yung tsura nun? Ano nga uli yung tsura nun? Sige, i-hide muna natin lahat. Ayan. Since I got tired of yung parang ganitong look and I wanted yung a more dynamic feel to my character. First things first, I need to bring down my arms, lagay siya sa side, and then from then on I can make maybe yung mga gestures na okay or mag-wave yung hands. That I will be doing on the next few streams, pero I think I will finish it first by adding shadows to the clothes. Pero separate ko na lang yung kulay ng clothes at saka nung ayun. Hindi ko na alam sasabihin. And I also did this. I generated this using Google AI tool. Yes, it's blasphemy. Pero parang gusto ko lang ng reference ng nakaharap. And parang medyo na-stamp ako sa proper folding ng clothes. So I generated this. I stretch it out. And then I didn't use this as well kasi yung shoulders napaka-broad, parang this is a body of a like maybe 17 or 20 years old character, anime character. So I don't want that. I want to retain my boyish avatar, the look of my avatar. So I went with this na much rounder yung shoulders, na indicating na the boy is still growing out of his young body. Ayan, ginawa ko siyang transparent. and I started tracing it. I started with the top shirt earlier. Ito. Ginawa kong rounded yung shoulders imbis na broad yung shoulders. I separated the top shirt from the undershirt. All within today lang. Kanina ko lang siya inasikaso. And ngayon, if ever I can make a avatar na wala yung red shirt, I just need to make a topless version of my avatar. Maybe that's the next project. Good luck, human anatomy. Gagawa ako ng I need to research on how to draw human anatomy again na hubad na wala yung mga folds. Let's see on the next stream. I think overall it was a success today. Ayan. And who knows, bukas magamit ko na to sa avatar para hindi na nakapamewang yung character ko. So you can think of it as like that. Sana yung top shirt, joints. Ito yan eh. Yung tapos ilalagay ko yung ulo ng avatar ko dito. I think I still have yung head ng avatar. Hiwa-hiwalay na rin kasi yung nilagay ko dito sa... Kaya ba? Sige, tingnan nga natin kung may... Can I... I'm already using this on OBS, kaya blank yan. Sige nga. This is going to be a monstrosity, pero let's try it. X1...
O, di pa hindi lumabas?
Parang hindi yata maganda. Parang nakahukot yata yung katawan. I still need to resize this, of course. Ayan na. I think that will be a preview of how my avatar will look once na parang hindi snappy, no? Parang mas maganda na parang pointed yung shoulders, no? I don't know. I think I still need to resize this. Masyadong malaki. Let's use the scale. Scale. Para tuloy naging zombie, naging hukot. Okay. Neck. Eyebrows, neutral. Nope. Control A, cut. Oh, perfect fit, huh? Surprisingly. Okay, let's open up the eyes. I think we have the pupils yata ang name nun. Yung bangs, yeah. Let's go with the bangs. Naka-separate din yung bangs ko eh. Sige, cut na rin natin yan. Cut. Uy, cut. Paste. Ayun, sakto pala. Bakit puro sakto yata ngayon yung latag ng mga and mouth, eyes, big mouth. Parang ang baba, pero itaasa lang natin. To preview pa lang naman, to preview. And then, open natin yung eyes. Wala ko yung pupils. Where did I place my pupils? Big smile, closed eyes, eyebrow, head, pupils. Although hindi naman talaga pupils yan, that's the entire eyes. Parang ang weird. Parang masyadong malaki yata yung eyes na to ng avatar ko na to. I think this is an older model. Okay, scale muna natin yan. Parang may uncanny valley feel talaga eh. Masyado yatang malaki, I think. Or sakto lang. Hindi ko alam kung saan ang mali eh. Ewan ko, parang may kakaiba. Parang hindi siya katulad nito, parang ito well-polished na tong avatar ko dito sa gilid. I think it's because of the eyes. Masyadong it's too large, I think. Litan pa natin. Scale that. Masyado namang maliit. Pero may something weird dito sa eyes na to. Parang mas polished na tong avatar ko dito ngayon. I think I need to center this. I need to move it around para maging center siya. mukhang tukmol yung character ko. Na all may bagong body. Teka, tanggalin ko muna yung older body. Siguro. Saan na yan?
Nawala yung leeg.
Ayan. I think what I need to do is with this one, I need to move it up. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mali. Kasi hindi niyo masyado nakikita yung open mouth na to. Dapat ito yung close mouth yung gamitin ko. Huwag nga tong open mouth na to. Nakakatakot. Tama ba? Na-paste lahat na sila. Oh no! Oh well. And then what I think I'll do with this one, I'll try to delete. Control save first. Saving. Iba yung tsura, no? Sa avatar ko, yung main avatar. Increase the size of that. Ayan. I think it needs more folds and then shadows na lang. And then sometimes I can do it like this. Pwede kong tanggalin yung shirt. Pwede tanggalin yung undershirt. I still need to add yung parang yung arms, yung torso at saka yung arms. Basically, I think what I can do is yung undershirt lang. Yan. Pero mukhang tukmol yung character, so I still need to fix the eyes. Kailangan katulad nitong eyes nung character ko. I don't know if I have resized this or kung saan yung gamit ko nito. Wait, I think it's on... Ganda ng kilay. Ishi yung mouth malaki, kaya nga eh. At saka ang baba yata, I think. Pag tinanggal natin yung grid, view grid off, show snap to grid, show grid. Ewan ko. Hindi ko alam, parang medyo mature pa rin tignan yung body. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Or maybe it's just my eyes connecting it. Siguro dapat gawin kong pointy yung shoulders or I don't know. Pero still though, yung shoulders niya is para na namang normal body na naman. Pero, yan. Tsaka, this one, top shirt. Para siyang nurse. Para siyang nurse na naka-scrub suit. Thank you, Rex. Yeah, hello, boss ko, Rex. Evening, evening. Ayan. Tignan na lang natin bukas. I think I can polish this up by adding more shades, maybe more folds. Tignan na lang natin tomorrow how well this will this look. I think I still need to finish this. Hindi ewan ko, may something sa eyes eh. Hindi, wag na. Okay na yan. Papalitan na lang naman natin yung mga nandito eh. So yung mouth, still need to probably just remove this. Hindi nyo kasi masyado nakikita yung open mouth eh. Pero ganyan yan. Ganyan yung open mouth. Bakit? Kasi hindi siya nakaselect. Dito siya sa neck. Dapat dito siya sa 1. Nakaselect. And I think yung eyes din. Mali rin yung eyes. This is not the final product pa rin naman. Maybe I should just add a mouth para next time madali na siyang gawin. Mouth, file, open. Uwa tayo ng mouth, closed eyes, big smile, small, close, small mouth, medium mouth, big mouth, closed eyes, big smile, big smile. Layo ng smile mo, sir. So, yung eyes na lang. Gawa tayo ng separate layer for the eyes. Dapat kanina ko pa ginawa, di ba? Hindi sana hindi ako nahirapan mag-delete ng mata. Hindi ko rin alam. Yo, Tito Zone! Good evening. Happy Friday! Happy weekends! Just doing some quick art stream. Kasi hindi ako mapalagay kanina eh. Parang I want to change the look of my avatar and I think I managed to get what I wanted naman. Horror. Qué horror. ¡Qué horror! ¿Y ahora qué? Okay, let's add the eyes again. Pupils. Saan napunta yung pupils na yan? Hindi na naman lumabas, 'di ba?
Hindi lumalabas yung mata. Bakit ganon?
File open. Pupils. Hello, Rocky. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for the Chika Dance, Rex Justin. Gusto ko din tuloy mag-drawing kaso inaantok ako. Magandang gabi, Rocky. Kurix to R2. Yes, so what up? Ayun, dapat magpa-Final Fantasy ako ngayon pero wala eh, bigla akong sinumpong ng espiritu ng pag-arts. So, that's what I am doing right now. Yun. Look at that. Look at that look. Hindi ko alam. I think it's too big. So, okay. It's too big nga. Let's reduce this. Scale. Something's weird here. I just can't pinpoint it out. Kailangan ko yata paghiwalayan. Masyadong malaki, maliit. Masyadong maliit. Masyadong malaki. Ang hirap mong timplahin. And this is not going to be the final product pa rin naman. Ewan ko, ang weird. Napaka-uncanny valley nung feeling nung nang hindi pantay yung mata. yan na lang, guys. Ayan na lang para hi guys, this is your boy correct Christopher. I think nga baka sa kilay nga rin. Baka dapat it's either oo nga no. Akala ko na parang okay lang pero hindi, dapat siguro mas maliit lang siya. Ay hindi, pero parang okay na naman. I think yung positioning ng eyes. It's either that or para matahimik na lang muna ako ngayong gabi. Hanapin na lang natin yung nakapikit na lang yung character ko. Wait. Eyebrows, neutral, close eyes. Ito na lang. Ewan ko na lang kung magkamali pa tayo dito, ha? Ilalife hack ko na lang para hindi masyadong ayan. Yan naman pala eh. Jajajang! So, Corix reporting for duty. Si Nurse Corix na naka-scrub suit. And I don't know. Basically, it's I will be replacing this with this one. So on the next episode, maybe tomorrow or on the Sunday, I will be updating it para maging ganyan na siya tignan. And then hopefully we can add more dynamic effects to it. I'll have to do more shadows at saka light. Pero I will be moving out of currently kasi nasa OBS to ito yan, no? If you look at it. And that's it. That's the live one. So lahat to nasa OBS na currently. Pero I want more dynamic action and movement, so I will be switching to PNG Tuber Plus, and hopefully you will experience it in all its full motion glory soon. And with that, ayan. O diba? The before and after. Hindi ko lang alam kung glow up ba yan or what. Tinandaya. And with that, thank you everyone. Nilagay na muna natin to dito. Ayan. Back to back. I think it's pretty okay, I think. It's okay, guys, no? Planchado na ang damit. Oh, tsaka ito kasi parang I just wing it eh. Yung mga folds. If you ewan ko, if you're into anime, yung mga folds ng damit ko hindi rin ganun kaganda. Kaya sabi ko, hey, I need to update this. And ayan. So with that, let's roll the credits. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining us. And thank you for the raid. Magra-raid din ako. So thank you everyone who joined us today. To the subscribers, of course, si NB. Laging nangunguna sa pangalan. Kung gusto nyo rin manguna, alam nyo nang gagawin nyo. Subscribe na. For the raids, we have D. Rapunzel with 29 people. For the chatters, we have Chocoloco, Cosmosama, Damon D, Dance Gaming, D. Rapunzel, Ergo 7, Goes in the Show, Heliana 22, Ishi, Kaito Vomits, Liti the Demon, Matapocalypse 69, Mayari, Midnight Vamply, Mrs. Kelly, Invisible, Nini Bear TTV, Rocky, Ramje, Raven with a Cause, Real Shintaro, Rex Justin, Sir Day Persmart, Tito Zone, Tuturu, Vivate, Wamiyu, Cinti TV, Zainstream, Zeri, and ayun. Sirakaku Sky. There you go. And with that, tara, let's raid somebody. I'll sa mga sasama sa raid, you can copy and paste this raid message. For our regular viewers and followers, you can copy and paste this raid message. And for our subscribers, you can copy and paste this raid message. Long, long ago, 20th century. And let's find somebody to raid this fun Friday, this Final Fantasy Friday. So, who should we raid? Who we gonna raid? Ghostbusters. Let's raid Miss Queen Amygdala, who's currently playing some Assassin's Creed Shadows. Tara. It's been a while since I last raided Miss Queen Amygdala. Cut. Join me in raiding Miss QA. Raid Miss QA. There you go. And with that, I will leave you with a short, heartfelt message. Thank you guys, and I will catch you guys tomorrow, later. Let's see what I can come up with. Kung makakapag Final Fantasy Fridays pa rin tayo. Pero thank you for joining today's stream. Happy weekends, happy Fridays. Have a good, great night. Have a relaxing weekend. Have a relaxing Friday. And I will catch you guys later. Tara guys, let's raid Miss QA. Thank you. Later. Have fun. Napaka-chill lang music talaga ng relaxed movement, no? We're about to raid Miss QA. Later, guys. O, di ba? May mga yung pinagtatype ko lumalabas. Sige, mamaya na. Raiding! Let's go!